Hey guys, it's Bobby Legs, and welcome to another episode of Bobby Legs Loves the Watches. And today I'm going to be doing an unboxing here of a watch that I had previously owned. Not this particular specific watch itself, but this Sinn 856 UTC I had owned last year. And had to send it back for some quality control issues. But I've always wanted to get that watch again, and I got the opportunity to repurchase it from a seller off of Watch You Seek. And yeah, so let's do some unboxing here. Um, Been looking forward to this. I had ordered it last week and was patiently waiting. And because of what's going on today in the world, the mail has not been um, terribly accurate. Um, Got a nice little letter here, looks like from the guy that I bought it from. Okay, well, card. Maybe this is the um, information on the watch. Oh, it's a thank you card. Very nice. Wear it in good health. Thank you, sir. And so let's take it off of this bubble wrap. Packaged very well. Now this is the original box that the watch had come in. He had bought it on a leather strap, and then I believe later on, or bought it on a bracelet, and then put it on the leather strap. I could have the order wrong. Either way, part of the negotiation was both the leather and the strap and the bracelet. Actually, it wasn't part of the negotiation in the sense that that was the offer. So here we go. The 856, 857 series, even though it's an 85, I bought an 856. You'll see the 857 there. And let's put it up. Let's open it up here and see. Very excited. Ah, yes. Yes, there it is. There it is. Beautiful. Okie dokie. Let me just take it off the strap here. Not the easiest. Let's see if I could just wiggle it out of here. Take it out over here. Very nice. Very, very nice. Looks great. I love this dial. So readable, legible. Um, just a great, great looking watch. Great travel watch. Really good condition. You mentioned there were some marks at the bottom of the lugs from strap changing, but that's neither here nor there. I mean, um, it looks like it's still in pretty good shape. I mean, stuff like that kind of happens when you switch out straps and whatnot. So that's totally cool. I know what I'm getting. Um, okay, yeah. So really really happy with this, guys. I look forward to doing a full review very very soon. I've had experience with this watch, so it's not going to take me too long to do a review. I already know I love it. But dimensions and all that, I'll be giving that to you guys shortly. So thanks for watching, guys, and see you soon.